We are delighted to present the culmination of our efforts, a 2D action adventure developed entirely in Java. For the duration of 10-minute segment, we will systematically articulate the design vision that guided our development, elucidate the technical hurdles we navigated, provide a compelling demonstration of the gameplay experience, and conclude with a succinct examination of the underlying code base. This game is a top-down 2D action adventure inspired by classic titles. You explore maps, fight monsters, collect items, and solve environmental puzzles. Core systems, tile-based rendering, camera following the player, modular entities for objects, NPCs, and monsters. The visual design purposely adopts a nostalgic aesthetic, leveraging small-scale pixel sprites that are meticulously scaled to achieve sharp detail. Complementing this is a simple yet intuitive HUD or head-up display, which cleanly tracks the player's vital resources such as life, mana, and inventory access. What makes the game unique is its small, modular OOP architecture. Adding monsters or items requires minimal code change. Interactive tiles and lighting add atmosphere. Items and weapons are implemented as entities, so behavior is consistent across systems. We encountered two major startup crashes. First is the missing image resources led to an illegal argument exception from image.io.read, which is essentially image.io.read open parenthesis null close parenthesis. The fix: robust resource lookup in entity.setup, try get resource as stream, class loader, and a file name fallback. Also print diagnostics instead of passing null to image.io.read. The second crash is config.load config. Assumed a config.txt existed and threw file not found exception. Fix for this: when config.txt is missing, load config now initializes defaults and save config.txt to disk. Avoid a crash. These fixes make startup resilient and make missing resources easier to find. Moving on with controls, move with WASD, attack or confirm with enter, shoot with F, character screen C, pause P, and options escape. Here are the rules. Collect items, level up, equip weapons to change attack patterns, inventory holds up to 20 items. Here I attack. Now, I shoot a fireball. Open inventory, and then equip it. Now moving on, a short code walkthrough showing object-oriented design in the game. Entity is the base class for all in-game objects. Players, NPCs, monsters, projectiles, and items. It holds position, sprite images, collision areas, and update draw logic. Player extends entity, inheriting general behavior and adding player-specific controls, inventory, and combat logic. That's inheritance. An example is get attack method. Uses the player's strength and the currently equipped weapon's attack value to compute damage. That's encapsulation and composition. And finally, Entity Setup centralizes image, loading, and scaling. After the recent change, it tries multiple resource lookup methods and a fallback name if an attack sprite is missing, preventing a crash. Now, please watch the quick highlights. Thanks for watching this Blue Boy Adventure Showcase. The repository has a build and run instructions in the README. See you next time!